Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy again, East Transform. So in this video I'm going to teach you on how to install darkOS. As you know, darkOS is more faster, more reliable, more safe than the mobox. In mobox we do a lot of trick before you can play any game. So in this the latest darkOS is never like that. So what you have to do is just for you to install. So there are little or no settings to apply to your emulator before you can play. So how I'm going to do it? Well, first of all, we are going to head to our Chrome. So from Chrome we are going to go to this address I'm going to share in the description link. So let me go and copy it. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post you will see an amazing upload. So guys, this is the address. So this is it. So what we are going to do is to go to this address. So yeah, this is it guys. Look at it, guys. So what are the update? The darkOS is designed to run x86 and x64 applications and games in Tamox native. So now this is more faster than mobile. So first of all, what you are going to do, you download this Tamox X11 input bridge, this any of these, but this will be okay for us, guys. So guys, what you are going to do is for you to just copy this command. So I'm going to paste this command in my description box so that you understand. So darkOS will automatically. The downside with only darkOS is that whenever you start your Tamox, the application is going to start directly. Unlike mobox, when you still have to type mobox, or like fex, when you still have to type fex. But this one, after which you have installed it, the next thing for you to do is just for you to just launch automatically. So what are the features? Say native support, which is required for games like Resident Evil, Devil May Cry 5 and Myst. So in the coming video I will be testing GTA 5 for you guys so that you will see the difference between mobox. The video which I uploaded earlier today, I can see the video was not clear enough, so I was in a hurry so to just put that on. So what are the devices that you will recommend for these guys? It is the device we recommend. Let's see it first. It is Android 10 or higher is recommended. So do we need to be rooted like mobox? No, we don't need any rooting, guys. We just have to install it. So when we install it, that is all. So what we are going to do, when you copy this what we have copied, we'll go back to what's it called, go back to our Tamox this. Sorry guys, go back to our Tamox. So it has started. You have seen it. I have installed it. So when you have installed it, it will start and come like this. So you understand. So guys, let's see the interface. What we have here, you can see these are the configurations, but without all these configurations, guys, you will see that these applications are running like they are running like a V-boot, guys. They are running very well, very smooth and fine. So you can do a lot of trick. You can enable your input bridge, switch your input bridge from this place. So you can see you can switch your input bridge. You can see we are now working with input bridge 1.1.9. so there are a lot of things for us to do here. Was just this video is just for us to install. Yes, and if you want your FPS to show, so this settings is there for you, guys. So if you have not understand anything, you can go back to my previous video and understand it. So in the coming video I'm going to test some games so that you will see. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel and follow and you will see the future upload. Guys, welcome to my channel.